When your car is stuck on the side of the road or in a parking lot, don't panic. If you turn the car key and your car won't start, don't give up. Before you call for a tow, try these 7 simple tricks to get your car started again. The only tool you need is a shoe. Most people don't keep a set of mechanics tools in their trunk. So when you get stranded with a dead engine, you feel pretty helpless. But don't give up right away. We've compiled a list of tricks you can try, and none of them require tools. They're arranged by symptom, and you've got nothing to lose by trying them. Of course, they won't fix the root problem, but one of them just might get the engine started so you can head to the nearest mechanic to have the problem fixed. Turn on the dome light and watch it while you try to start the engine. If the light goes out, it's a sign the battery is really weak, almost dead. To heat up the battery, terminals and starter, try the key cycling. Turn the key to the start position repeatedly about 10 times in a row. Stop and wait 5 minutes. Then try to start the engine. But if the dome light stayed bright when you turn the key, move on to the next trick. Tap on the battery terminals. There's no way to clean corroded battery terminals when you're stranded without tools. But you can try to move or at least jar the terminals enough to make better contact. Smack the starter. If you have access to the starter motor, try smacking it with the tire iron from your car jack. Sometimes, the electrical contacts get stuck and can be freed by tapping on them. If the symptom is no click when you turn the key, shift the shifter. With your foot on the brake, move the shift lever to the neutral position and try starting the engine. If that doesn't work, move it back to park and try it again. Moving the shifter sometimes re-establishes electrical contact inside the transmission range selector, also known as the neutral safety switch. If your symptom is engine cranks but won't fire up, swap relays. With the radio off, turn the key to the run position and listen for a 2-second buzzing sound. That's the fuel pump priming the injection system. If you don't hear any sound, the fuel pump relay may be bad or the pump may be on its last legs. First, find the location of the fuel pump relay in your owner's manual or on the legend of the underhood fuse box cover. Then locate another relay with the same part number and swap it with the fuel pump. To swap the relay, yank the fuel pump relay straight up. Then align the pins on the replacement relay and push it straight into the socket. Try starting the engine afterward. If it still won't fire, beat on the fuel tank with your shoe to jar the fuel pump motor. If you smell gas, the engine is flooded. To unflood a flooded engine, press the accelerator pedal to the floor and hold it there while you crank the engine. Or remove the fuel pump relay, crank the engine over a few times, then reinsert the fuel pump relay and try to start it. Trick the computer. A vacuum leak or funky temperature sensor can result in an air/fuel mixture that's too lean to start a cold engine. If you've tried all the other tricks shown here and it still won't start, press the accelerator halfway and try to start the engine. That'll tell the computer to add more fuel. If you have tried all of these tricks and your car still won't start, then it's time to call a tow truck or start walking. Thank you for watching this video.